Welcome friends. In this video, I will cover how to design custom hooks. So there are built-in hooks available. I will tell you some of their names like useState for handling the personal state in a component. We have useFetch, you have useRef, you have useCallback, useMemo, useDeferredValue, and useEffect and useFocusEffect. So there are a lot of built-in hooks are available. Do you know how to design custom hooks? So in this video, we will understand how to design custom hooks, and we will also understand why we need to why there is a need of hooks generally. So custom hooks encapsulates the generic utility logic. It does the encapsulation. It follows a design pattern generally. If you have heard of the hook based architecture, you must have heard of the component based architecture, you must have heard of the MVC, MVVM based architecture, MVP based architecture. You must have heard of the microservice based architectures. So similarly, hook based architecture is also there. You can create a custom hook of single feature or single functionality. Let me give you one example. Suppose there is a button, you want to toggle it, or if there is a drawer, if you want to toggle it, you can create a custom hook like useToggle, simply returning its state and the function from it. Similarly, you can create a data fetching hooks. Suppose there is an API, you are calling a server. In that API, there could be three things like if the API is successful, you will get the data. If it is failure, you will get the error. Or if it is loading, you can return the loading as well. So you can call that useFetch API. You can give the main thing you must know, like whenever you are giving the name of your custom hook, it must start with the use, something use, that is very important. Use effect, use state, use ref. It is static and standard. You must follow this pattern. Similarly, we also have useForm. We can design a custom hook for handling the form like input. In that hook, we can return a state or we can write a function handle change. So you can also design a useForm as a custom hook. Similarly, you can design the custom hooks for performance optimizations like use debounce, use throttle. So you can design such kind of custom hooks. So if you observe carefully, you can design a custom hook of any small feature or utility or functionality. That is a design pattern. So in this video, I will cover the most important custom hook, use state. We will understand the background functionality of the use state, how use state works. If you are able to understand it, then I can say you can understand any custom hook. You can design any custom hook. So let's cover it here and let's do the implementation of the use state background functionality.